was a lot of traffic going to Hollywood Reservoir, so we ended up coming to the Silver Lake Reservoir instead. It's pretty empty. Ooh, it's chilly.
Hello, Monkey Bear.
You guys know how obsessed I am with my cats. This guy especially is just like the light of my life. He makes me laugh every single day without fail. But I will say the only thing is keeping your home clean when you have two cats, because their fur, it tends to get everywhere. Like no matter how much you brush them or how often you vacuum and sweep, there are just like little areas that you will miss and cat fur will kind of collect there. So I think that's the hardest part about having cats. Thankfully, we both work from home, so it isn't too difficult to maintain a clean home. But for that reason, we do hire a professional cleaner every now and again just to do like a really deep clean. It kind of just feels like a reset, so we're able to like maintain that cleanliness once they're done. And since it's the start of fall, we thought it would be the perfect time to kind of like enter this new season with a very clean home. If you guys also like getting your apartment professionally cleaned, I do recommend HomeAglow. We just started using them. They're like a top-rated home service platform. It was really easy to schedule a cleaning. I just went to their website and then chose the date and time that I preferred, and then it provided me a list of cleaners that were available in my area. There were also photos and descriptions, so you can just kind of go through and choose which cleaner you think is like the right fit for you. I was actually able to schedule within that same week. I was really happy with the cleaner that I chose. She was so sweet. She was very punctual too, which is such a bonus. She was really thorough. She like walked me through our apartment before, asked me like which areas I wanted to focus on. So I did let her know that it hasn't been that long since we moved in. So I mainly wanted to focus on different surfaces where cat fur can collect. She ended up wiping down basically the entire apartment. And so we are completely fur free as of right now, especially since we're traveling soon. It's gonna feel so nice to come home to a clean home. I think that's like the best feeling. All of the HomeAglow cleaners actually have to pass a certification process, and they also have to maintain a 4.8 star rating, I believe. 100% of the cleaning fees and the tips go to the cleaner directly. So it's also a really great way to support the cleaners in your community. If you get regular professional cleanings though, I do think the Forever Clean membership is going to benefit you. It is $59 a month for the membership, but then once you're a member, you get unlimited cleanings for $19 an hour. So if you do the math, you're still saving a lot of money. I think it's very affordable for a professional cleaning option. If you are interested in taking home cleaning off of your plate this fall, you can go to homeaglow.com/EstherSim or scan the QR code here, and you can get your first 3 hours of cleaning for just $19. I'll have the link here, QR code here, and also all of the details in the description. All right, good morning. I'm gonna go pick up Claire and we're gonna go to a workout class. All right, let's go. At the wedding house. This is actually where June and I both rented our wedding dress and the tux that he wore. So he's just getting a tux rental from here again because the wedding that we're going to is black tie. They don't let you take any photos or film inside, so I will be back. I'm back. The tux back there. If you guys ever want to rent a tux or a wedding gown, I do highly recommend the wedding house. I personally had a good experience, and I get asked about my wedding dress still. I don't know the name, but I feel like if you show them a photo, the owner should know. She also knows like both me and June now, so all right, I gotta go to my sugaring appointment. The place I go to is Meal by B, and she's really good. I mean, I haven't had any issues. Also, let me also just vent really quick. But you know, my old apartment, I was having issues with the owner. Let me back out of here. So, as I was saying, my old landlord is being like so schemy. I don't know. Like, it's definitely a cultural thing too. He feels like he can get away with a lot because he's an older Korean man. I don't know if he thinks like I don't notice the things that he's doing to try to like manipulate the situation, but it is just such a headache that we still have to deal with this even after we moved out. Like, we're having issues with getting our security deposit back. All right, I'm at Moa Alterations in K-Town. I'm gonna go pick up my dress. 안녕하세요. Got my dress that I'm gonna wear to the wedding. I mean, it looks good. I guess we'll try it on at home and see if the length fits now. Alright. Also, I need to still pack. So, kapsta. I got my dress hemmed and it looks good. I got it hemmed at Moa Alteration. It's in K-Town, and there's no reviews on Google. It's just run by this like elderly Korean man. I would have never thought to go there, but my friend Claire actually recommended it to me, and I think I'm gonna get everything altered there from now on because he was just so sweet. It was also very fast. I got this in 2 days, and he only charged me $35. Anyways, this is the state of the room right now. I'm trying to plan out the outfits a little bit because I am only taking a carry-on, and so we gotta be a little bit more strategic about what we're packing. Do you think there's enough bag in it? Oh!
Is there another one?
Yeah, I bought one. Ready? Oh, she's coming. Isn't this so cute? Smalls gifted this to June. It says Cat Dad. It's like a beige pet carrier bag. Come on, honey.
Oh, why did Munji get the small one? Oh my goodness.
Here.
That was such a struggle.
Are you ready to go to Harmony?
Here, look. 이거 화장실
전화로 연결 또 해야 되지. Hey, they're pretty curious.
이게 맞죠?
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
We went on a quick run to get coffee, and now I need to finish packing. I have to fit all of this into this. Will I be able to do it?
No.
Oh. Good morning. It's now 6 a.m. I think. We got to our Airbnb around like 4 p.m. yesterday, and I was gonna just take a nap because we were so tired, but we ended up just staying in and just sleeping, and I think we really needed it. Yeah, because now I am fully charged. The sun's not even up yet. We've been up for a while, but we want to go to the beach right now to do a quick sunrise swim, and then I think we're gonna run around town, get some coffee, and then I think we're gonna head to Antibes today, if that's how you pronounce it. We're gonna try to jam pack our day today to make up for yesterday. The one thing I had on my list this trip was to do this sunrise swim, so I don't care how cold it is, I'm gonna do it.
You are?
I don't know, I want to. We got our swim towel. Oopsie. My goggles, and we also got these swim shoes because I think the beaches here are all just pebbles, just to protect our feet. You wanna see how dark it is outside?
Right.
Alright, hopefully we don't freeze to death. Gotcha. It's so nice.
There's people out and about just like us at 6 in the morning.
I just wanna go out.
Water's warm.
It's warm?
I think it's warmer in there.
Really?
Yeah, it's warm.
You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out with you.
We made it to the beach, but I think we're gonna do the swim a different day because there's no sunrise. It's a little too cloudy, but the water is warmer than we thought, so I think it is gonna be doable.
I just wanna see you shed light. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen.